Uh, Hello everyone, this is Karthik Anand. I'm going to tell about how to install opencv and run a basic face detection model. First, for that we want to I just already made that so that I can show a demo on it. First, we want to create a virtual environment by using uh, virtual environment, and you can give some name like opencv, like that you can give. I already made that. After making that, you should be able to access by source, activate source, and your virtual environment name. This will give you our this will activate our virtual environment. Why this means it's a professional way to do it so that it won't damage other package. To run opencv, we want to install two packages. One is pip3 uh, pip3 install opencv python. This already I installed it. Another is opencv contract. First we want to install the python, then only we should install the contract function, or else there will be some error will be shown it. This email is good to go. After this we can go to our code editor. um, okay, this is my code. I will extend the packages. Okay, first thing is we want to import cv2. Cv2 is opencv model, and opencv is written on C++, and we use the face cascade. Face cascade is the face.xml is this file. This file is like a model to direct our file. To get this file, you can just go to internet and just type opencv face cascade github. Go to the first link like this. You can see the all the hor cascade. The hor cascade is the model for eye detection, full body, left eye detection, license plate, smile detection, upper body. So many things are there. You can give a try on that. Just go to it and just download it. I just download it as a face.xml. I downloaded this file. Which file I download is this one, for front face default. This file I have downloaded and I renamed into face.xml. This file can be read by cv2.cascade classifier. After cascade classifier, we can store in for face cascade. Now this video capture will access our webcam. The 0 is our first input, so it will access my webcam and it give the feed will be stored in the video capture. I written a while true statement where each frame the video will be converted into video will be read as each frame in opencv, so that we can use that video capture dot read. So we will get the frame. Once we got the frame, we will directly insert into the face cascade, and detect multiscale is the parameter to detect the what are the ranges of the parameter we want to fix, like a scale factor, minimum neighborhood, and the flag is cascade scale image. This has been changed in 3.4 or 5 afterwards, I think so, so that be clear in it. Once the face detection has been done, we will get the x, y, and width and height. With this we can draw a rectangle, and we can show in the frame in IM show. This is the wait key. If the wait key is 1 or Q, if you press me, the window will be closed and we will destroy all the cv2 of the destroy all the windows. This is model. Let's run this model and see how it works. um, python 3 face.py. I will upload the source code in the GitHub so you can have a look into it. See, it detected the face. This is a simple model to detect and see how to install opencv and etc. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe. Thank you. Bye.